The legendary Bugatti Chiron, known for its elegance and unbelievable speed, gets a futuristic racing makeover courtesy of the renowned automotive design firm AutoSpectre. Buckle up, car enthusiasts, because this reimagined Chiron is a spectacle to behold.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to AutoSpectre, your gateway to automotive excellence.
AutoSpectre hasn't revealed all the details yet, but based on the teasers they've released, we can expect a significant aerodynamic overhaul. Imagine the already sleek Chiron with an even more aggressive body kit, featuring sculpted front splitters, prominent rear wings, and meticulously designed air vents to maximize downforce. The racing theme will likely extend to the Chiron's interior. Expect lightweight materials like carbon fiber and Alcantara to replace plush carpets and leather seats. A redesigned instrument cluster might prioritize vital racing information like RPMs, G-forces, and lap times. AutoSpectre might even integrate a roll cage for enhanced safety on the track. While official performance specifications remain under wraps, rumors suggest AutoSpectre might nudge the Chiron even closer to the hypercar territory. Power upgrades could come in the form of a tweaked engine or a lightweight chassis, potentially shaving off precious seconds from the Chiron's already impressive lap times. One thing's for certain, AutoSpectre's vision for the 2025 Bugatti Chiron is bound to push the boundaries of design and performance. This is a Chiron sculpted for the racetrack, a fusion of exquisite craftsmanship and raw, untamed power. Auto enthusiasts eagerly await the full reveal from AutoSpectre. Will the 2025 Bugatti Chiron by AutoSpectre become the ultimate racing machine? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, it promises to be a breathtaking evolution of an automotive icon.